Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code, what of encode Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Seppo understand error code, Vodvo's common triggers, content, while Activision does not publicly detail every error code. Vodvo in Call of Duty Warzone typically points towards issues related to network connectivity, server communication failures, or localized game file corruption. It often signifies that your game client is struggling to maintain a stable connection with the Warzone servers, or that essential game files required for operation are damaged or missing. Recognizing these primary categories will help in systematically troubleshooting the problem. Step verify network connectivity and Warzone server status. Content begin by confirming that your internet connection is stable and functional by testing other online applications or websites. A weak or intermittent connection can directly cause communication errors. Concurrently check official Activision support channels, the Call of Duty Twitter account, or reputable community forums for any announcements regarding Warzone server outages, maintenance, or known issues. If the game servers are experiencing problems, the error is not on your end and requires patience until service is restored.
Step: repair game files and clear cache content. Corrupted or missing game files are a frequent cause of in-game errors for players using Battle.net or Steam. Utilize the scan and repair function within the respective launcher to automatically verify and fix any damaged files. Console players should perform a full power cycle of their console by shutting it down completely, unplugging it from the power source for several minutes, and then restarting it to clear the system cache. Additionally, consider clearing the game's internal cache if an option is available on your platform, as stale data can sometimes lead to conflicts.
Step update network drivers and game client content. Outdated network adapter drivers can cause instability in your internet connection, leading to communication errors like ensure your network drivers are updated to their latest versions by downloading them directly from your motherboard or network adapter manufacturer's website. Similarly, verify that your Call of Duty Warzone game client and your console system software are fully updated. Developers frequently release patches that resolve bugs and improve stability, and playing on an outdated version can create compatibility issues with the live game servers.
Step: power cycle hardware and reinstall Warzone if necessary. Content a full power cycle of your network hardware, including your router and modem, can often resolve transient network glitches by refreshing the connection on both devices from their power sources for at least 8 seconds before plugging them back in and allowing them to fully reboot. If all previous steps fail to resolve the error, a complete uninstallation and reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone may be necessary. This ensures a fresh installation, eliminating any deep-seated file corruption or installation issues that might persist. If the issue continues, contact Activision support with a detailed description of the problem and the troubleshooting steps you have already taken.